गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। हमारे दुर्गेश पर अल्टीमेट क्लास आस्टा। अक्सर आप सभी को कहता हूँ कि कर दिखाओ कुछ ऐसा कि दुनिया करना चाहे आपके जैसा। मैं हूँ आर दुर्गेश फ्रॉम अल्टीमेट क्लास आस्टा। टुडे आई वांट टू डिस्कस अबाउट टुडेज एरा and today's generation. You know very well that today's generation is going on to be finished, is going on to be a down, and you know very well that some people they think about themselves that we are not able to understand what is today's era. It is an illusion of the world. We are not able to talk to our children. What's their mentality? What are they thinking about their future? They will be able to work hard or not? What is going on their mind? I want to say to you that right now you have to ask your children. So you have to say to them that please come with me. I want to talk to you. I want to discuss to you that I want to see your memory, and I want to do something different for you. Please come, my son, dear son. You know very well that I've thought about you a lot of things. You know I worked hard since my childhood. My childhood I have been working hard. I am working hard for you. I am thinking that in the meantime you will become whatever you want to become. You will earn money for me. You will run up my house. All these things. So you have to talk to them. Say to your mothers that don't pamper them too much. If your mother is your mother is pampering them lot of things, they will be means spoiled their life. All these things they will not be able to hand over your hand. They will go other side and not be able to succeed in their life. Just talk to your children. So, you know today's today's generation. If I talk about today's generation, so nowadays they are feeling anxiety, frustration, hesitation, and watching reels, Insta, Facebook, all these things, and they are not be able to work hard. And if you want to make them speak, if you want to make them speak frankly, make them do something work so that they could listen to you. You know today's middle class family members, middle class family, and their student, their son, their daughter, they are saying to them, I want mobile, I want like this, I want like this. If I get a 100 out of 100 marks in 10th and 12th and 8th and 5th class, so you will have to bring a bike, you will have to bring car, accelerator, all these things, luxurious car. Their dream is too hard, too high, but their parents, they are not capable of to give them all these things. But they are still working, and they are thinking that if my son, my daughter, they will work hard, they will have to bring all these things, because why am I earning? I am earning for my my daughter and my son. I don't want to say to you that don't say to them, but don't make them lazy, because they are they are gonna to be lazy. They are not able to work hard. They are living they are feeling frustration, feeling agitation. You are spending lot of money and they are not able to work hard. They are thinking that father is earning, he will earn, he will give us money. So why are you doing a lot of things? You have to think about yourself, but that how to make them speak, how to tell them about AI, or what is a computer, tell about computer, so that they could do computer course within 6 months to 3 years. They could learn about computer. They must have knowledge about computer, so that in coming time, if wherever they go, they could learn about computer. They could get a job in computer field and computer center. They will get ISO certificate computer, and they could work hard. They could think about their AI future. Then coming time, they would earn per month 1 lakh rupees, so that you could get benefit, and subsequently you could run up your house, and you could say to them that definitely they will earn money for you. And if you talk about English spoken is very important. English is spoken only for English language. I want to say English just a language, and if you learn English, if you make them speak English, if you are sending them in another any coaching, whenever you want to send them, so definitely they will learn English. If they learn English, they will enhance their knowledge, they will gain knowledge. They will think that today I learned English. They will not be able to think, they will not be able to speak Hindi. They will be able to speak English. Suppose they are friends, they are talking English, they are discussing in English, they are not be able to speak in front of them. They are feeling regret that no, I am not be able to speak English. No, I will do something different. I want to say to my father that please send to me in another coaching center. No, definitely you should do it. You should say to them that no, from tomorrow onwards I will bring you in another center, and you will get it benefit. So you have to say them, because English spoken is very important. Also skills, today's AI era, skills are very important. Suppose you have lot of skills skills, somebody will hire you, whatever you want, money they will give you, all these things. If we talk about time management, tell them, teach them about time management. In a schools, a lot of teachers, they are teaching Hindi, maths, English, many subject they are teaching, and many teachers are there teaching there, but only they are working for a while, and after a while they go to home. After that they come to school, they are spending their 40 minutes, but they are not telling them what's the time management, what's the money management, what is the skills. If they tell them, if they work about on the time management and money management, definitely children will learn in a school, and they will think about their parents that I must work hard so that I could get benefit. My parents must able to proud of feel about me that I am working hard for my parents. So all these things we will have to understand. Give them rights to play cricket so that they could spend a lot of times in playing cricket. They fresh their mind, they should not think, they should be a confident mentally, emotionally and physically. They should be a good person. Enthusiasm, they became enthusiasm. They must have courage to doing something different in their life. Suppose you are kept on means you are keep on scolding them, saying them, arguing, abusing, all these things, that they will not be able to work. As you speak, as you sow shall you reap. So whatever you are doing for your children, they definitely in coming of time it will get their benefit, and they will think about you that my parents did for me, so also I will have to work hard for my parents, all these things. Today's generation is not a bad. You are thinking about yourself that today's generation are bad. I don't think too much, because today's generation are too good, too far good, apart from the earlier generation. Today's generation, they have skills, they have money management, they have all these things, they have mind, gene looking like gene. They are looking forward like they want to become something in their life, but they have no any, what we can say, they have no any priest, they have no any like a Jaman who tell them that what is in your mind. You have immense pleasure, immense devotion, immense penance, so that you can do something different for your family members, because they are addicted by mobile. They are feeling frustration, they are thinking about themselves that no, my career is going to be finished, I will not be able to succeed in my life, I will not be able to get through in the exam, all these things, because they are thinking about themselves that they will not be able to succeed in their life. But I want to say to you, you will have to make them speak, you will have to make them do something different in their lives, so that they could learn to you. We are talking about now today's generation, that today's generation is very good, I think very good. And if you don't give them mobile, definitely they will work on computer, on anywhere, and give them mobile in a good way. Say to them, this is a wrong, this is a right. Tell them the bad touch and good touch. Tell them about good film, about movies, that this is a movie is good for you, you must watch it. Like education movies, and like skills movies, like chat gpt. Tell them how to use chat gpt. Tell them about freedom fighters. Tell them about a lot of motivational speakers, that how did they become motivational speaker, how did they work hard, how did they become billionaire, all these things. Tell them about those person who succeeded in their life and they are working hard. And if you tell them, definitely they will succeed in their life. You are thinking that no, my child is every time using mobile, he is longing for mobile, he is addicted in by. Well, no, it's not his and her means fault. It's your fault, because you are coming from job and you are not be able to give them time, so that they are not be able to feel good. They are feeling frustration, hesitated, feeling stress, jumpy, all these things, because they are not be able to get their time. Because in a school they are not getting time with their friends. Their friends are busy in the writing ventilation, reading, all these things. In the lunch time, they are, if suppose they are gonna to eat food, so they are not be able to eat properly, because their mind is not working. They are feeling frustration. After that, they are thinking that today I had a back pain, my body is not be able to work. I am get down in my health, all these things, because you have to tell them so that they could learn something different in their life, and they could do something different, so that people they could learn to them. And If you talk about second thing, give them 1 hour to play cricket, to play any games, so that they could fresh their mind. And after that, they say to them, get up early in the morning, use do your yoga meditation, so that you can overcome your stress and you could live good life. Take a deep breath and think about your future, all these things. And about tell them about what is a bad, what is a good. Then if you tell them, you are sending them in a school and you are sending them in a coaching anywhere, they are spending their lot of time, 6 hours in school and 2 hours and 2 and 4 hours in coaching. They are not be able to get time in playing, in enjoying, in doing something, in talking to you. So how will they work? You are saying that my son be every time he must be ahead of other children's, because they know if he does something different, that he will become. So you are imposing them, you are imposing on their shoulder that you have to become like this, you have to become collector, doctor, professor, anything else. They don't want to become all these things. Don't say to them to what do, that whatever I have not done, you will have to done it, you will have to do it. Don't say to them whatever you want to become. Suppose I have taken BSc, BCom, all these things, so my friend will take become BSc. No, it's not matter, it's not be run up. Say to them that whatever you want, you can do it. You want to become a collector, choose collector course and then read it until you succeed in your life. Say to them, they have knowledge, they have mind, all these things, but you are imposing on their shoulder that no, why you have to become doctor, collector, and these things. They are wasting their time, they are spoiling their mind. Somebody is assaulting them that you will not be able to do it. They are frustrating, individually things are coming on in their mind. They are doing like they are hanging by fence, they are consuming poison, they are going to cut down their neck, hair, all these things. They are going to jump in the well, they are doing suicide, all these things. So what is the reason behind it? Because you are imposing all these things. Today's parents also, they are bad parents because they are imposing all these things. I want to say to those parents, they are imposing that don't say to them that get out of 100% marks you get in exam. Don't say to them that enhance your knowledge, live cool, calm, good, and don't take it seriously, take it lightly. Don't underestimate to any all these things. Read whatever you want to do, something different in your life, so that you could live good life. Because they are frustrating all these things, they are watching reels, Insta, Facebook, so you are not be able to understand. You have to think about your parents, your children, what are they doing in today's generation. Good, not a bad, but you are making them bad. I want to say to you that say them, ask them